We are going to solve the audio problem in Adobe Premiere Pro. Audio played but sound not working. First of all, we check the settings of this timeline. Now check on this option. Play the audio. No, it is not working. Go to Edit option, enter the preference and go to Audio Hardware. Select your speaker, but you can see, not working is written here. Now go to your computer setting option. Click on Privacy option. Enter the microphone option. On the access of microphone for other apps. Now open the Premiere Pro and play the audio. Finally, we solved the audio problem.
Subscribe my channel for more tips and follow the solution tips playlist.